enough. I'm just delighted now to have the Mayor with us and delighted to hand over.
Thank you, Catherine, for that. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Councillor Mohammed Khan. I'm a current Mayor of Milton Keynes. It's a privilege to be here, seeing this gentleman passionate speech about his freedom for his country there. I'll share some of my thought about I'm from Bangladesh, and we were independent from East Pakistan. And we're a 9-month civil war, and we lost almost 1 million people in our country. Fighting for freedoms and having your flags behind standing up is one of the best things in the world can have. I understand your struggle for your freedom. With God's will, you will get it one day. Your freedoms, your heart, your next generation, kids will fight on. Illegal occupation around the world is not just Tibet. Look at Palestinian, look at Kashmir. The most recent one is Ukraine. Occupation goes on. Even Rwanda. Look at Bosnia, look at Syria, look at Iraq. Wars goes on and casualty of civil peoples are mounting up. Here in Milton Keynes, I love this place. I've grown up myself here. It's peace and unity. Everyone living side by side. 75 different languages speak in Milton Keynes. We don't have a problem raising flags up. You won't get locked up for it by doing that. You mentioned earlier, Catherine, 9 times. Let's do it 20 times, maybe even more. Why not? As a first citizen coming here, I want to raise this flag, set an example out to the people who are occupying other countries. The freedom is there for everyone. I understand the cost, but freedom worldwide fight will go on, and we will continue to do that. In Milton Keynes will support you today and tomorrow and the coming years. And the next mayor. It's not just 9 mayor, then the next mayor will come and support and continue to raise your flags. Continue to support you and your family in Milton Keynes. And I'm proud and honored to stand here in a peaceful place, peaceful demonstration. People want freedom. I understand how you're feeling. How's your families, your friends? You can go out. The school been locked down. Giving you 2 minutes to go to hospital. That's unseen. And many other people. In our great city here, we open to everything. We all live side by side. Our great city is open heart to you and your family. Live here peacefully. I think world should have been an example of Milton Keynes, how we live. How this great country live. Not by the numbers of 100 to 200. Not by the North Korean or Chinese or other countries being occupied. There should be all following example of what we do here. And I'm a privilege and honor to be a mayor from a BME background, coming, standing, supporting you guys, and always will be supporting you, and you are welcome to Milton Keynes. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.